I've been working with young First Nations people to improve their mental health and understanding what mental health and well-being is and how to access and how to seek help when you need it. Growing up in the NT, it's a beautiful place and very diverse community, but I've also seen a lot of disadvantages of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander growing up here. I remember driving once with my mum and seeing Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, they were all homeless at the bus depot, had nowhere to go, and I couldn't understand why. I didn't know why that Aboriginal people lived in poverty and had this disadvantage, and compared to the rest of the population, I just couldn't understand that. And seeing the environment that I was in growing up, I wanted to do something that could better that, and I feel like ever since I was a young person, being aware of these issues, it sort of fueled my passion and my purpose into what I currently do with myself today. Over the past few years, I've been working to better health outcomes for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. I've worked in health research, suicide prevention, and at the moment I currently run a mental health education program for young First Nations people, teaching them the skills to seek help when they need it and to better understand mental health. Too often, young people who are transitioning out of school, we're still sort of working out those skills to navigate our way through life. Things such as financial literacy, what is healthcare, how do we access services, employment. These are still skills that we're still trying to learn for ourselves, even outside of 12 years of an education. Those skills is the main skills that we need in order to live a long, healthy and thriving life. I think it's just about being a voice, being someone that these young people can see as themselves. And that is what my service is. I think what I'm passionate about is just giving back to my community and empowering it however way that I can, especially my Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander community. If that's being a voice for young people, or if it's advocating for Aboriginal health, or if it's helping programs that are being implemented here in the community. I'd love to live in a society where, in an equitable society where we don't have those gaps and disadvantage between the Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander population and non-Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander population here in Australia. I think if we can come together as a nation and make that happen, I think that would be a beautiful utopia for our country